Hello, it's me, Martin from Vigor. Today I've brought an extension set with me, the V7133N. This is an extension set for our wheel bearing tool, the V4680. We handle compact wheel bearings with the V4680. For vans, specifically rear-wheel drive vans, the front wheel bearings. To press them in and out, this tool set alone isn't enough. We don't have a hollow wheel bearing that the spindle can pass through, so we came up with a solution to press these wheel bearings back in without causing any damage. Now I'll show you what that looks like on the vehicle. Okay, now we're at the front axle of our Sprinter. We've already removed the brake here, and now we'll attach the tool for 6 and 8-hole hubs to this 6-hole hub. The whole thing is bolted directly onto the hub using the vehicle's own wheel bolts. Now I'll attach the traverse here. This allows me to grip behind the wheel hub onto the wheel bearing housing. Now we've got it set up to the point where I can attach the hydraulics. One last check to make sure everything's seated, and now we can start with the pump. And there it is, wheel bearing removed. Now we just have to get it back in. All right, the wheel bearing is out. Now it's time to press the new sealed compact wheel bearing back into the vehicle. You can see it clearly here. We don't have much room to attach the tool. I'll show you the solution for this now. We'll attach a bracket here at the front to the brake anchor bolts. That gives us 2 points already. Then the traverse is put on top. We've already squeezed the track gauge head out here at the front because this is where the third point comes in. This is another truss. A truss is a structure made from straight pieces that are connected together at joints to form a strong framework. Trusses are used to support loads and help make buildings and bridges stable and safe. Of course, the whole thing will be screwed together. I've greased all of this up a bit now to help with motivation and prevent erosion. I'm now attaching the hydraulics. Let's add 2 turns. We can now insert the wheel cover here at the front. So we've now turned the whole thing slightly by hand to create preload and can now check again whether everything is seated correctly, whether the bearing is centered, and then we press it in. ARD Text on behalf of Funk,